guys, my name is Tanya and I am a first-time mom to a 3-month-old baby boy, and I am also a full-time vlogger, and I have a cooking channel, and also I am a social media influencer. So the best moment in my life is when I saw my baby for the first time right after pushing him out. Well, this is a hard one because I have a couple of favorites, but if I have to say my all-time favorite that I can watch all the time is Walk to Remember. Well, this one is easy. As you guys know, I'm a first-time mom, so I only have one child. I don't think you can ever be fully prepared to be a mom. All I do is try to make the right decisions in the moment. There's no one quality that makes a good mom. I feel like every mom is trying to do the best for their child. I didn't have any fears or depression. I would call it more of an anxiety when I was not able to breastfeed my baby. I don't feel that it's one style that fits all kind of situations. I discipline my kid when needed, and at the same time I want to make sure that they have a healthy relationship with me where they share and they also feel heard. So my baby did not have a good latch and I ended up having a nipple trauma, and trust me, it is so painful, and the only solution for me was to pump because I really wanted to breastfeed. Honestly, I don't mind breastfeeding my child in the public, but I also don't want to make others feel uncomfortable, so I just carry my milk snob with me everywhere. My only wish for him is that he grows up to be kind, humble, and successful human being. Yes, I have heard about Bammax and I have been using their breast pump. It is literally life-changing for me. It has made my 4th trimester so much comfortable and given me confidence to continue pumping. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my free talk, and all the best to all the mamas out there.